Hi, my name is Anders Dyre with SiteShop, and today I'm going to show you exactly how Market Data Nordic for SuperOffice works. Market Data Nordic integrates quality business data from Dun Bradstreet with your SuperOffice CRM. Let's jump in and see how you can find and import a new company from Dun Bradstreet to SuperOffice. Okay, so you'll find our app by clicking the SuperOffice logo up here. Go straight to the search box and type in the name of the company you need to import. You could also search by organization number, address, phone number, or even a contact name. Let's just stick to the company name for now. Change the country if you like, or just click search. So this icon here indicates that the company already exists in SuperOffice. Clicking the Dun Bradstreet logo here opens the side panel showing you details about the company. This is very helpful if you want to know more about the company before importing it to SuperOffice. Select the companies you want to import. Choose Our Contact, Business and Category and click the Import button. The company has now been imported to SuperOffice. See that little tooltip preview here? And you can go straight to the new company by clicking here. Both basic address information and details on the More page have been imported to SuperOffice. Once you have added the company to SuperOffice, you can start using the extra web panels that also comes with the app. Like DNB info that you will find in the side panel here. This gives you a detailed company overview with real-time updated information. Or maybe go to the DNB Employees panel right here to see the main contacts that currently work for this company. You can of course select a contact and have it added to the company in SuperOffice. And the app will of course make sure that you follow all the GDPR and consent regulations. There's also a third web panel called DNB Group. Here you'll find all the companies that Dun Bradstreet know are related to the company you're looking at in SuperOffice. This way you can learn more about the company structure for each of your customers or prospects. And you can even import it straight into SuperOffice if you need to. So this was a quick walkthrough of how you find and import a new company and start using it in SuperOffice. You can of course also import multiple companies in one go and put them in a selection for convenience. And there's also a settings panel for your SuperOffice administrator where you can configure the Market Data Nordic app for your specific needs. With Market Data Nordic, you can immediately remove a number of manual and tedious workflows every day and improve the overall data quality in SuperOffice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please remember, if you want to learn more about the app, look up SiteShop in the SuperOffice App Store or follow the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.